Tirath Singh Rawat is going to be the new CM. That is the breaking news coming in at the moment. We're getting you these visuals right now. They are coming in live. We have confirmation coming in that Tirath Singh Rawat is going to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. So the new Chief Minister has been chosen after Trivendra Singh Rawat resigned. There were two front runners whose names came up to the fore, but now the new confirmation coming in is that Tirath Singh Rawat has been decided to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and the swearing-in ceremony is going to be happening at 4 p.m. And that is the big breaking story that we can confirm first here on India Today of Tirath Singh Rawat, who is going to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. The decision has been made. You're hearing this first on India Today. The meeting was on to decide who's going to be the Chief Minister. There were few front runners in the fray, few contenders who came up. The names were being decided, and now the confirmation has just come in that Tirath Singh Rawat is going to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. After that political crisis that we ended up seeing, Trivendra Singh Rawat resigning on Tuesday after days and days of speculation about a leadership change in the state as well. Ashutosh, we can confirm this first on India Today. I'm throwing straight across to you on Tirath Singh Rawat going to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and the swearing in at 4 p.m. today. Throwing straight across to you, Ashutosh.
Now has been decided to lead. Tirath Singh Rawat will be Chief Minister for Uttarakhand, of course, for less than 300 days that he has got to govern and to lead the state. नाम पर आखिरकार मुहर लग गई तीरथ सिंह रावत. हालांकि चर्चा थी कि निशंक भी हो सकते हैं, सतपाल महाराज हो सकते हैं. तीरथ सिंह रावत को लेकर के जो प्रदेश की लीडरशिप है, जो तमाम एमएलए है, वो क्या सोचते हैं कि एक साल कैसा होगा उनके लिए?
देखिए, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का जो भी निर्णय है वो सहज स्वीकार सभी विधायकों को होना है, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी कार्यकर्ताओं की पार्टी है. इसलिए जितने भी विधायक हैं उनकी अब वर्तमान में जो मुख्यमंत्री जी के नए नाम की घोषणा हुई है उनके साथ आस्था और पूर्ण विश्वास रहेगा और सहयोग रहेगा.
जिस तरह का रिबेल हमने देखा था, शिकायतें थी कि भाई अधिकारी हमारी नहीं सुनते, उसके बाद महत्वाकांक्षाओं की लड़ाई थी कि कैबिनेट में जगह मिल नहीं पाए. तीरथ सिंह रावत क्या वो एम्बिशंस पूरी कर पाएंगे सारे एमएलए?
देखिए, ये कोई भी सरकार चलाना एक सामूहिक कार्य होता है, और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जब तीरथ सिंह रावत जी बने हैं तो मैं समझता हूं कि जो कमियां रही होंगी उन कमियों को पूर्ण वो अपने इस वाले अपने जो कार्यकाल उनका रहेगा, इस कार्यकाल में वो पूरा करेंगे. जो पिछले
सिर्फ एक साल से भी कम का समय बचा है इलेक्शंस में जाने के लिए, उनका लीडरशिप ऐसा क्या बदलाव कर पाएगा, चेंज कर पाएगा जो 4 साल में आप जो मानते हैं कि जो नुकसान हुआ है, या 4 साल में जो कमी?
ऐसा नहीं है कि पार्टी ने कोई विकास कार्य नहीं किए. 4 साल में पूर्ण विकास कार्य हुए हैं, और वर्तमान में जो विकास कार्य भारतीय जनता पार्टी के द्वारा, चाहे प्रदेश के द्वारा हो, चाहे राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व के द्वारा हो, राष्ट्रीय टीम के द्वारा हो, उन विकास कार्यों को लेकर जनता के बीच में भारतीय जनता पार्टी जाएगी. और प्रत्येक विधायक जो है अपने अच्छे से अच्छा जो बेस्ट टू बेस्ट देना है वो पार्टी के लिए समर्पण भाव से करेगा.
Thank you so much. So you heard the MLAs who have come out of the meeting. You know, there were several MPs from Uttarakhand were present in the legislative party. The MLAs were the observers when the name was proposed, and again, this was really surprising as the names of Nishank were floating, Dhan Singh Rawat were floating, also Satpal Maharaj, but clearly giving, following its precedent of surprises, the BJP put Tirath Singh Rawat, the MLA, as the name. But is it going to be the acceptance amongst the leader? जो नया लीडरशिप अब मिला है उत्तराखंड को, एक साल के लिए कितना स्वीकार्य होगा? तीरथ सिंह रावत का नाम कितना स्वीकार्य होगा आप सबके?
जो पार्टी का निर्णय है उससे जो है सभी कार्यकर्ता, सभी जितने हमारे हैं, जो केंद्रीय नेतृत्व ने निर्णय लिया है वो सबको स्वीकार है.
4 साल में ऐसा क्या हुआ जो अब 1 साल में बदल जाएगा? नए चेहरे के साथ बदल जाएगा. Again, most of the leaders are tight-lipped, and we have seen that it was the fight of ambition.
Begs the question, Ashutosh, that this particular decision that has come in, Tirath, who is the Garhwal MP, was the BJP National Secretary, was the party chief of BJP Uttarakhand as well. Is this a surprise coming in on the upside or the downside as far as the people of Uttarakhand are concerned?
Name of Tirath Singh Rawat coming to lead the state unit may not be surprise really for the people. However, it could be surprise within the party as well. There were several stakeholders. Satpal Maharaj was the front contender. Nishank, when the party meet began, several others. So that was estimated and anticipated that perhaps it will be Nishank who will be named as chief minister, and then probably that will be announced in the legislative party meet. But giving surprises, and as we know that any decision has been taken by BJP last several years, be it the state or in center, has clearly been, with the so much secrecy and corporate.
Let's re-establish that connection with Ashutosh right there, who's breaking the story first on India Today. Excuse me. We can safely confirm that Tirath Singh Rawat is going to be the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. This is news that is breaking first here on India Today. A little about who Tirath Singh Rawat is, who is the new Chief Minister. He's the Garhwal MP and BJP National Secretary. He was party chief of the BJP party Uttarakhand from 9th Feb 2013 to 31st December 2015. He's also a former member of the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly. So this is a little bit about Tirath Singh Rawat. It's confirmed now. Tirath Singh Rawat is going to be the new Chief Minister. 4 p.m. is when the swearing in will happen.